Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to turn off system notification in your MacBook. So if you are using MacBook Air or MacBook Pro or iMac, this method will work in every Apple devices. So if you want to turn off notification, system notification or Chrome notification, other notifications, so in MacBook, so first of all what you have to do, go into your system preferences. So when you go into your system preferences, here you will see lots of options. Here you will see notifications. Okay, just click on it, notifications and focus. Now if you want to turn off system notification, just click on it and you have turned off system notification. And you can also turn off Google Chrome by it. If it is like this in your MacBook, you can turn it off like this. So like this you can turn off system notification on your MacBook. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.